Hey, it's Emily from WTI, and I want to tell you about this healing ointment and antiseptic spray combo from Active Skin Repair. So, I cut my finger last week loading the dishwasher. I know, but it was a really bad cut, and I actually thought I might need a stitch. Well, in the end, I used these products and wrapped it up really well. I then used these two products every day, and that cut has healed the fastest of any cut I've ever had, especially one that deep. Now, I'm not a doctor, I'm not giving medical advice, but I am just here to tell you that these products have worked really well for me. Plus, I'm a mom, and if you're a mom, you know how hard it is to let kids clean their scratches and scrapes because most of the products that we use sting a little bit. And we're like, oh, we have to use this, it cleans it out. But these products do the same function and they never sting. You can use the antiseptic spray and then seal it in with the ointment before you put a bandage on a wound, and your kids will be so thrilled because not only do they work great, but they don't sting at all. That is a mom win-win for sure. Plus, these products are non-toxic and they're safe and they're made with natural ingredients. If you're a mom, you need to have this in your first aid kit. And that's my point of view.